In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Discord overlay. To be able to turn on Discord overlay, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Discord on your device. Now sign in into your account. Now go ahead and head over into the user settings section by clicking on this gear icon at the bottom left of your screen. Scroll down and look for game overlay. So just scroll down in the left section of your screen and you'll find game overlay under activity settings. So in here, simply enable overlay. Also enable in-game overlay to turn it on. So set a hotkey for toggling the overlay. Now you can also enable overlay for specific games. So to do that, you'll need to head over into the registered game sections on your Discord settings and make sure the overlay is enabled for the game you want to use it to. After that, go ahead and open your game and use overlay. So go ahead and launch your game, press the hotkey you set to bring up the overlay, adjust settings like notifications and voice chat. And that's basically how you can turn on Discord overlay. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.